This building here, called Afya House, has some very good people. It has got some very committed people. It has got people who work day and night, who work so hard in such difficult circumstances. But this building here has got its fair share of criminals. Like any other marketplace, there are a few mad cases in here. And we will unearth them. As we move on, we will unearth them. These are the people who you call a public officer, who you call a businessman, and tell them that they have got an order which they can help get him with a fake tender. But that fake tender might even have a Ministry of Health logo, because some criminal in here has given that fake logo. It will be those mafiosis who will tell you that you can do a deal with them to supply computers, to supply PPEs, to supply pens, to supply blood. Yes, blood in here. So we know they are in here. And by the way, just to make it clear, the officers that we transferred were not necessarily criminals. That is normal. It is normal to transfer around officials every so often in the ministries, in the procurement sector, in the finance sector. It is normal to change people around. It's just surprising that sometimes you find people who have been here for the last 12 years who are not supposed to be here for the last 12 years. This is a sort of place where people get transferred, and then you find they are still sitting here. Why would you be transferred and you still want to sit in that same desk? Wouldn't you be suspicious if you were me? So all I'm saying, people, I am just saying, just like any other sector, just like any other ministry, we have got our challenges here. The only difference is that we are willing to own them up, and therefore we are willing to face them head on. That's the difference.